this is a product we will take from the Walmart and Amazon. Okay, this is called Walmart to Amazon dropshipping business. So right now lots of product have Amazon. There are many people selling, buying the product in Amazon, and Walmart is the same e-commerce website. So we are still working the furniture related product, because why we choose the furniture, because furniture is like size is bigger. Suppose a people like from the USA people purchase a product from Amazon, like furniture they purchase. Okay, so this furniture price is like $300. Okay, so $300 price customer purchase, like you are a customer, you purchase a furniture from $300. Then what we are doing, what is the business? Like Walmart in the same product selling like $250. Okay, so we have to find that kind of product which price is less than the Amazon. Okay, so right now we will purchase the product. When we get the order from Amazon, a customer ordered us like 3 product. So this 3 product price is $900. So we will purchase the product from Walmart. So like $605 we'll purchase. So this product price $650 and selling price $900. Then we gain profit from like $350. Okay, so $350 is profit. So here we have to expense few things like shipment cost. The product goes from the Walmart. So there is a question you can ask me that, Johnny, we purchase from Amazon but product goes from the Walmart. So when people get the product, they can complain. Okay, but for this furniture related product, as size is bigger, then Walmart is a e-commerce institute. Not they are producing the product. They take the product from the third parties. Okay, so when the size is bigger, then third party directly send the product to the Amazon who purchased the product from this from Amazon. Then third party send the product to the customer directly, because the size is bigger, and when the size big, then the Walmart packaging, Amazon packaging is not included. So that's why we can directly sell the product to the Amazon customer. Okay, when people order us, we take the order information and we purchase from Walmart and ship the product to the directly customer. Then like we got $650 profit. So now Walmart charges for the shipment, like suppose like $50 charge, suppose. So $50 charge, and Amazon charges like for the store. We will make a store for sale, like, right? Because we need to create a website here, we need to create like a store here in Amazon. So Amazon charges like suppose $50. So total the shipment cost, the Amazon charge and the tax of the government. So suppose total we have to pay, suppose total $150, 50. Then out of 350 we have to less, right? We gain $200, right? So we have to find right product, like which product have a less price. We have to listing in our Amazon store, and we will get sales, because Amazon people purchase from Amazon directly. There is no need to any marketing, any Facebook ads campaign, anything. So we gain like suppose $200 from last 3 product. So in this way, few product we gain $50, few product we gain $100, few product we gain $20. So end of the week or every day you can see the result. Like I share my screen. So I share, here is the listing. Suppose we have a right this type of Excel sheet. So date by date, suppose 3 product we purchased from the Amazon customer, or 9 product. The product code, product name, product sold price, product the supplier price, Amazon.
Hello?
Yes, you hear me?
No, they're calling back. Hello? Hold on, they're calling back from Facebook. Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Speaking from Facebook with the customer.
Yes.
Basically, I'm trying to, escalate the case for you. But you can see that the record is already being reviewed by the team.
Okay.
So don't worry, the team is already aware of the issue. So for the payment concern, I will be escalating, okay?
You'll be what?
I will be escalating this case for the payment, that you're unable to, add the payment bill as your card is not being verified.
Okay.
Okay? The team will be updating you via support inbox. Kindly check that regularly, okay?
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much, Mackenzie, for your time and, being patient.
Mm-hmm.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there is a date and the product code, product name, sold price, supplier price, like Amazon fee, shipping fee, and the government tax. Okay, then everything you can see, like per product, how many how many profit we gain. Then here it automatically comes. So how was the return on investment, and the Amazon link, price link, everything you can see from this sheet. I will share with you this sheet. Okay, so every day you can check. So for this business, no need to work anything. Our team, we have a team, 5 member, 10 member for one store. Suppose from the beginning, we need to find the good product. Then day by day our store should be good, store health should be good. We need to suppose one product we purchase from the Walmart, $200, but this product price is less than the Amazon. So we need to sometimes get back the money to the customer. Like product selling price is low, but purchase price is high. That time we need to cancel the order and tell the customer this product is not available. So our team will work the backend, 5 to 10 member for one store. So every week or every month, from the beginning, we can invest like $5,000 to $10,000. It could be credit card. So the credit card gives us few less tax. So that's why the credit card information needed. So what kind of information needed, I'll show you. Another woman, Terrell from the California, also start the business with me. So Walmart to Amazon. So this information needed: personal information, name, address, state, zip code, etc. Business address like LLC. We need this certificate, okay, from your local government certificate issue holder. Email, phone number, credit card, bank statement last 3 months, utility bills, and the all document should be yours. Then we need to create the Amazon store on the Amazon.com. Okay, then you can fill up all information, and if need, then we will help, and our team will help. Then when everything is ready, then we will do work from our side, like product research, product listing, everything. We will give the access. So no need to card information, anything you can put by your own hand. You can monitor and manage everything from beginning. The revenue comes slow as little by little, but like 1 month, within 1 to 2 months, we can bring profit 2,000, 3,000 or 5,000 in a month. Okay, So that's the way we can work. Like we have a team work, I will work, so 5 to 10 people work. So that's why first time you give us 50-50 profit. Later when money comes, then you give us little bit more, no problem. So that's the way. You just invest in the systematical way. We'll work from our side. We'll do product research, we'll do product send the supply, we'll tracking and everything. So that's the way business, many people working and gain the more money and day by day. So you can start with that way. So just we need the few process to start the business, like the information. This information I'm sending you over WhatsApp, sorry, over Instagram, so that you can figure it out. This info needed. So as soon as possible.
Okay.
So just let me know when you ready to the papers. Do you know the W9 form?
No.
W9 form is one kind of like
W9, I think it's W2.
W9, W2. Okay, no problem.
All right.
So let me know when ready everything. We'll do start. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.